This is what we'll do. If I can approach her, then I'll phone you. I'll walk up to her like this. Hello?
Hi.
Then I can talk to her, and you can hear what she's got to say.
No, but I've told you, everyone she talks to, they just run away.
Yes, but Welsh people. Trust me, darling. It's a plan.
All right, well, just be careful, okay?
Having a nice time?
Yeah, I'm just speaking to...
You're standing in the street on the phone to your own mother?
Yeah.
Nothing to do with me.
Mum, what does she look like?
She looks like what she looks like.
What does that mean?
She looks like what she is.
Mum, what's she saying? I can't quite hear. What's she saying? Mum, whatever she's saying, just don't... No, Mum! Mum, don't listen to her! Please don't do this to me, Mum! Mum, don't do this to me, Mum!
Well, if your mother's part of it, then Ruby, you can tell her your mother is too. Now go and get Mrs. Flood.
What for?
Go and get her, for Moose. Because I'm coming with you to the Nitwick Tower.
There's a warning. Thunderstorms across
Anything
the
I can do to help. It's nice for me to get out. I'm always hiding myself away.
I just need you to look after Mum. It's only going to be for a couple of hours.
Oh, leave it to me. I nursed my old mum through diabetes and a hip operation. She died of an ulcer, but that was when I wasn't looking. Aren't you a beauty?
Thank you.
You too, Ruby. Still hoping for that growth spurt.
Oh.
Mum, I'm leaving you with Mrs. Flood. You've got your pills, 2 yellow tablets at 5 o'clock.
If you're chasing after that Dr. Man, I warning you, him is trouble.
Everything is trouble. And I've decided it's about time I cause trouble for myself. Thank you, Mrs. F. Come on, girls. Let's find that woman.
I would love a cup of tea.
Would you, sweetheart? Well, we'd all like a lot of things that aren't going to happen.
What that's supposed to mean?
I'd be very careful, Mrs. Sunday. There's a storm coming in. He waits no more.
We interrupt this broadcast with warnings of an incident in central London. People are being told to evacuate the city immediately.
What is it? What's going on?
Do you believe in the power of prayer?
I most certainly do.
Then tell your maker I will come to storm down his gates of gold and seize his kingdom in my true name.
What you talking about? Who are you?
I'm sorry, you tiny little woman. I'm so, so sorry. It ends like this. I had such plans.
What happens if you bring death to death? You bring life!
And that's how the story of the church on Ruby Road comes to an end. With a very happy ending for little Ruby Sunday. But life goes on, doesn't it? Ruthlessly. And what happens, you might wonder? Oh, what happens to that mysterious traveler in time and space known as the Doctor? I'm sorry to say his story ends in absolute terror. Night-night.